We're at the Toll Brothers community called Valle Norte up in North Phoenix, and I can't wait to show you why this could be the next home for you and why you might want to consider buying a property here. So this is a brand new community and it's actually pretty well built out so far, and it's kind of a one of a kind. I've been selling real estate for a long time, and this is one of the most unique communities I've seen. So it's a luxury villa community, and they have 9 different floor plans available. And I like that because sometimes with these townhomes and condos and villa communities, everything starts to look and feel the same. Not the case here at all. There is so much variety, flexibility, and they're really cool. They're so affordable for what you get. So again, this is in North Phoenix. This is right 5 minutes from TCMC, right by the 303, and easy access to travel, get commute. All your shopping, gyms, amenities are right nearby. But the location makes you feel kind of tucked away. So it feels really private, it's gated, it feels very safe, clean, beautiful, everything that you would love with Sonoran Desert. But if you need to go grocery store, shopping, a lot of employers are up here too. This is a really cool location. And some other things to be aware of. If you're looking for a lock and leave location, either because you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, you work remote, or you maybe want something with no interior steps, there are multiple layouts here. So if you're looking for a single level where you walk in, we have those here. We also have upstairs, downstairs, so there's a lot of flexibility here. And again, this is designed to make you feel like you're living in a luxury resort. You totally feel that way when you walk in. The community center is beautiful, pool, amenities. It's really, really well set up. So the reason we actually took the time to bring you the scoop on this community isn't because of how pretty these things, because they're beautiful, or the location, because it's really convenient and is actually a very, very cool place to live, but it's the price point. If you took my favorite residence here, which is Residence 5, it's 1,800 square feet, 2-car garage, split floor plan. I mean, that thing is beautiful. Check out our other video for a tour of that floor plan. But if you took that and you put it in North Scottsdale, we're looking at $1.5 million price point. You can get that here, which is 15-20 minutes away, for $550,000. So if you're looking for the upscale luxury villa lifestyle, but you don't want to pay $1 million, you want something that actually is affordable and reasonable, and you could turn into a profitable rental down the road, this could be a great fit for you. So if you're interested in looking at one of the 9 different floor plans we have available, if you want a tour of the community, all you have to do is reach out. You can call me directly at 520-237-8411. You can also click the link here, schedule a complimentary consultation. And why would you want to do that? Well, we have helped dozens and dozens of clients buy new construction properties, and every single time they get the house at a cheaper price than what the builders are advertising. They get a lower interest rate, they get the property inspected to make sure it's built the right way, and they have an outstanding experience. So consider that when you're looking to buy your next property. Again, if you want to take a tour, see all the amazing stuff that Valle Norte has to offer, reach out, give me a call, or click the link below, and I can't wait to give you a tour, show you all the stuff this amazing community has to offer.